Hi guys, today we're gonna make a little video on how we cook on the fire. Food tastes best on the fire, we think. We got potato and corn. There we put, see right there, Taya? Look. And that's how we cooked our corn. See the burgers and potatoes. And over here, look, Avril got some rice in the microwave.
Oh.
And Avril's cooking the burgers. Avril's doing a good job.
Oh my God.
See here?
We dropped the burgers.
Yeah, Avril got us corn and she put tin foil and you cut it and put butter. It tastes good. And she got the corn. We can put butter on it. We got the butter here, and here's Avril's potatoes. You buy those small potatoes, and you put this on it, just so you know what to buy. And this one. And she said she cuts it up first, then she mixes it with oil, and then she puts this on there. So the seasonings will stick, she says. And she wraps it up like a bundle and puts it on. What's that?
Butter on it.
Oh, and butter. Don't forget butter. Butter tastes good. We're gonna cook hot dogs. Look, she's putting on the she's putting on the. Yeah. She'll season it. Just show the seasoning.
Don't be cheap with your seasoning.
Don't be cheap with your seasoning.
You're gonna eat it. Treat yourself good.
Oh yeah, treat yourself good. You're gonna eat it, she says. And it's good to turn these around. These are ready. They're off to the side. Yeah, look at that boiling, folks.
That's done. Take it out. That I put like half a cup of salt. You gotta salt your water real good.
And right here, look.
Half a cup.
And come around here, Tail, look.
This needs to get taken off.
And look. And the wood that you use, is poplar, because the poplar burns only flames, and gives good smoke for your. You don't use spruce. Spruce will burn, and it got spruce gum like sap, and it burns black, and your meat will go. When you cook on spruce, your meat it'll go black.
It's gonna overcook.
Look, we'll put some wood here. And here's our corn, it's done.
Then you toast your buns.
Then you toast your buns?
Oh my God.
So good, don't waste food. People are starving in the world.
Yes, right.
Yeah, it's on high heat, so it don't need much. There we go. Toast it. There's our corn in water. Our burgers, cheese, and our fixings.
Corn.
Hello Taylor, good morning. Good afternoon, I should say. There's the burgers. Food always tastes great on the fire. And there. Oh, Ted's got juice. Taylor made us some juice. Iced tea.
Mom?
And then we microwave some there. And we're gonna put some burgers on. Show your burger inside, Taylor.
Mom?
You're gonna put some cheese on that?
I always
Okay.
want wieners cooked outside.
Yeah.
They're more yummy.
Here,
I
Tia.
know, I'm gonna
Hold
make
this.
you a wiener too, but you want a
We'll
burger
cut open
first?
Yeah.
While you're waiting, right? Yeah.
we'll cut open a potato. We'll show you a potato inside.
Ketchup on yourself.
I don't need ketchup on it.
Okay, you can just-
Look, you know when it's done, it's soft. Look at the steam. Oh, look at that, folks. There's our butter. Salted butter, no name, is the best.
That's good.
Oh, a little too much butter, but
Oh no. No, I like it with cheese. Okay.
right there, folks. Look at that. Look at the juices. And look over here. We'll put it right on my plate with the other one. And a burger. And we'll put some of this on. And then we'll put some this on my burger. And we'll pour iced tea on my plate for me. And then we'll get some rice in there, make some room for some rice. Yeah. How was that? You got dry cough? Oh, it's coming along. Look at that food. Food always tastes good on the fire. Hi, food. Okay, right.
That's a good one.
Hi, folks. Food tastes best always on the fire, and how to cook food on the fire. Michael style. And Averill helped me make it happen. And me and Averill, we cooked pork chops and hot dogs and burgers. That's the last burger. Everyone went for the burgers. And small potatoes. I don't know what they're called. And here we baked potato we made, and microwave rice, corn. And this is what we use. This is for chicken, and this is for ribs. Ketchup, our seasonings. And pickles, iced tea. Here's the iced tea. Cheers. And here's the plate, the finished product. We got corn on here. We got rice and small potatoes with oil, cut up, and then oil, and then the two seasonings, and butter, and our baked potato with butter, and our burger with barbecue sauce, and our hot dog with barbecue sauce, pickles, and pork chops. This is my plate. And yeah, I hope this video was educational. How to cook on the fire, and food tastes the best always on the fire, we think. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. if you like. It helps out the channel. Yeah. Have a good day and always be yourself. Thank you.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.